Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 5, Section 2, Chapter 3, Topic 3.
Chip attachment, also known as die attach, is a critical step in semiconductor packaging where singulated semiconductor dies are securely attached to a substrate using solder joints. This process is essential for establishing electrical connections between the die and the substrate while providing mechanical support and thermal dissipation. In this comprehensive overview, we will delve into the intricacies of chip attachment using solder joints, exploring the techniques, materials, challenges, and considerations involved in this vital aspect of semiconductor packaging. Introduction to chip attachment. Chip attachment is a fundamental process in semiconductor packaging assembly, where singulated semiconductor dies are bonded to a substrate to form a packaged integrated circuit, IC. This process involves creating reliable electrical connections between the die and the substrate while ensuring mechanical stability and thermal management. Chip attachment techniques vary depending on the package type, die size, substrate material, and application requirements. Solder joint formation. Solder joints are commonly used for chip attachment due to their excellent electrical conductivity, mechanical strength, and thermal properties. The solder joint formation process typically involves the following steps. A. Surface preparation. Prior to soldering, both the die and the substrate surfaces must be cleaned and prepared to ensure proper wetting and adhesion of the solder. This may involve degreasing, cleaning, and surface activation techniques to remove contaminants and oxides. B. Solder paste application. Solder paste, a mixture of solder particles and flux, is applied to either the die or the substrate surface using stencil printing, dispensing, or other deposition methods. The solder paste serves as the bonding medium between the die and the substrate during solder reflow. C. Die placement. The singulated semiconductor die is accurately placed onto the substrate surface with the solder paste, ensuring proper alignment and contact between the die pads and the corresponding substrate pads. D. Solder reflow. The assembly undergoes solder reflow, where it is heated to a temperature above the solder's melting point, causing the solder paste to liquefy and form metallurgical bonds between the die and the substrate. During reflow, the solder wets the die and substrate surfaces, creating robust solder joints upon solidification. Solder materials and alloys. Various solder materials and alloys are used for chip attachment depending on the application requirements, thermal considerations, and reliability concerns. Common solder alloys include tin lead, SNPB, lead-free alloys, e.g., SAC 305, and eutectic solder compositions, e.g., 63/37 SNPB. The selection of solder material is influenced by factors such as melting temperature, wetting properties, solderability, and compatibility with the die and substrate materials. Considerations and challenges. Chip attachment using solder joints poses several considerations and challenges that must be addressed to ensure reliable and robust interconnections. A. Thermal management. Proper thermal management is crucial to prevent thermal overstress and ensure the integrity of solder joints during solder reflow. Techniques such as preheating, controlled reflow profiles, and thermal vias may be employed to mitigate thermal gradients and thermal cycling effects. B. Alignment and placement. Accurate die placement and alignment are essential to ensure precise registration of the die pads with the substrate pads. Misalignment or offset during chip attachment can lead to short circuits, open connections, or mechanical stress on the solder joints. C. Solder voiding. Void formation within solder joints can adversely affect electrical and thermal performance, leading to reduced reliability and increased susceptibility to mechanical failure. Strategies to minimize solder voiding include optimizing solder paste formulation, reflow profiles, and substrate design. D. Reliability and durability. The reliability and durability of solder joints are critical considerations in semiconductor packaging, particularly for applications subjected to harsh operating conditions, temperature cycling, and mechanical stress. Proper selection of solder materials, surface finishes, and assembly processes is essential to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.